Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking time out to travel here and listen to us. We have already circulated our profile and details are available. I'll just add a couple of things. I just like to share with you that I got an admission in a US university to become a petroleum engineer and instead become a chartered accountant, simply because I believe this is the best profession in the world, and of course because my father told me so. And when your father is one of the most respected professional, there can't be a better choice. Currently I am CEO of Cybernet and a group director in Lexon Group of companies. I still cherish my position as Director Marketing and Sales of Lexon Tobacco for over 15 years, which I think is one of the most valuable. I have always taken time out for the improvement of quality of life and profession of others. For this, I am thankful to my wife for sacrificing family time, and also to all those people who have worked with me for following the system I have put in place. My vision can be summarized in 5 words, as stated by Bell South, a US company. It was simply bringing people and information together. This will help us to keep producing the finest breed of accountants. My dear friends, in my opinion, we have to enhance the core fabric of our profession. As a step forward, revisit the curriculum and enhance it to include those disciplines and methodology offered by similar professional bodies internationally, including membership examination exemptions and adding things like protocols announced by the UN and other GI reporting and sustainability reportings which are part of the balance sheet world over. We should provide culture of idea generation, free flow of thoughts in ICAP. Our committees should comprise of experienced and young members from big and small firms and from industry, ideally combination from within and outside the country. I firmly believe that intelligence does not depend on position or job function. An important initiative is to build aggressiveness in the culture of the ICAP Council and its committees, and to the same level as most of us implement in our workplaces. In my opinion, ICAP Council should prepare short and long-term strategy by obtaining suggestions from all stakeholders and introduce the concept of accountability by defining KPIs. I believe ICAP should be a customer-driven. I realize that the satisfaction level of our customers is a bit low. We must satisfy them globally. That is, members in big and small firms and those working in the industry. We have seen that our counterpart professional bodies like ACCA, MBAs, etc., and similar bodies in other countries are converging themselves for a new era. Our member competes with them internationally. We should analyze this and adapt to the extent applicable to us. We should establish ICAP offices in new cities and establish ICAP chapters in each and every city in the world where our members are based. Member lounges to be established in each major city of the country and offer services in line what is offered to the members of the Institute of Directors UK in all major cities of the country. This will enhance the image of our profession and the ICAP internationally and locally. We should remember that our national economy, right down to our personal productivity and enhancement, depends on vibrant and modern layout of our profession. I like to leave by saying that you have an opportunity to select the balanced council comprising members from the profession and industry with extensive corporate exposure, as only a visionary council can take us to the new heights. Select the new council with the due diligence. Thank you. Clap.